course, we have the Youngest Hall of Famer awardees. At para naman sa mga Youngest Hall of Famer awardee with 8 to 10 years as part of TCMI family. And these years, we have rock model, influencer, and queer advocate, Yves Pangilinan.
Don't know, hindi ako kilala. It's okay kasi hindi ko rin naman kayo kilala, so that's fine. Sobra ako natutuwa that I am so here kasi I think I've manifested this for so long. Kasi I remember meron kaming isang fashion show doon, tapos merong guest na artista, and then I looked up sa stage doon, sabi ko, one day gusto ko ako itatawagin sa stage. And I'm so happy, hindi ako isa sa mga tinatawag ngayon na nandito sa stage. And the truth is, ang dami pa ako, there's more path for me to actually go. Malayo pa yung tatakbuhin ko, marami pa akong kailangan gawin for this industry. The truth is, my dream, yung desire ko maging artista, maging model, commercial model, actor, film, or theater, it's not unique. Because everyone who dreams to be one has the same passion, desire, and fire inside of them. So what makes you truly unique is you going inside yourself and within yourself and really truly finding who you really are. And that's what makes you really unique. And I'm so happy that DCMI, Sir Jay and Sir Randy took a chance on me. So there are thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people out there na pumipila sa auditions every now and then, nangangarap ng isang malaking big break nila. And ang pagiging artista ranges from 3 years old to almost 80 years old, and lahat yun, nangangarap pa rin maging artista at magkaroon ng malaking big break nila. So never kill the desire to be who you really want to be, and keep pushing through sa mga dreams ninyo. Always remember that look back to where you always come from. Kasi sila ang nagpatibay sa'yo at sila ang mag-push pa sa'yo in the long run. Kasi remember, the industry is a very small industry. Magkikita at magkikita kayo no matter what you do. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat, and thank you for TCMI, Sir Jay and Sir Randy for taking a chance on me. I love you all. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Next, we have a businesswoman, commercial and rock model, ladies and gentlemen, Celine Santos.
Good afternoon, everyone. Pero sabi nga nila, let's start today ng good morning. And yung speech ko will be scripted para lang hindi din makamali. So, first of all, Sir Jay, Sir Randy, and kay Sir Lester, I'm very thankful po sa opportunity na binigay niya sa akin. And without them po, hindi ako magiging confident and magiging sino ako ngayon because of them. And sobra po akong naging thankful for them kasi sila yung unang-unang taong nagtiwala sa akin. Yun lang po. Thank you!
Ang haba. Ang haba ng speech. Akala ko may kodigo ka. Okay, next up. Another famous online gamer, commercial model, businesswoman, and a rock model. Ladies and gentlemen, Crystal Sevilla. Bahala na kayo kung anong pangalan niya sa online. Basta she is a famous online gamer. At kumikita siyang milyon isang gabi.
Anyway, so I just want to say thank you to Sir Ray, Sir Randy, Sir Lester, and to TCMI family. Kasi when I was nag-start ako sa TCMI, I built connections, friendship, as in parang almost every week, nagsama-sama kami, not just kasi may ramp model or anything, just to, have fun and, kasama yung mga friends ko. So, yun, I was just so grateful for them kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanila, I won't be confident. I started TCMI kasi gusto ko mag-boost yung confidence ko and also yung stage fright ko. So ngayon, kita nyo naman na hindi na ako takot sa stage. So thank you for them. And ayun, parang I started TCMI para lang talaga boost everything kasi I was a shy when I was a kid. And ayun, looking at the young girls and boys ngayon, I'm so proud of them kasi parang hindi ko kaya yun noon. So ayun, I just want to say na be humble and be thankful and be grateful to Sir Jay and to Sir Randy kasi hindi rin naman yung makakamit kung ano yung meron kayo right now if wouldn't be for them. So yun na naman, thank you so much and Happy New Year!
Thank you! And 100 Killer Spaces Season 4 Grand Winner, PMAP Model or Professional Models Association of the Philippines Model and SK Federation President, Rizal Chapter, ladies and gentlemen, Lucia Alcantara. Mga community leaders. Richard Award dito ito dapat o kasi public servant.
Hello. May script ako kasi nilagay yung SK Federation President, so bawal magkamali. Hindi, biro lang po. Pleasant afternoon to everyone, to the parents, models, former models, mentors, colleagues, and friends. Isang pagbati po ng may galak as we finally see each other again after years and years of almost being always together since 2011, sir. 2011, 11 years old pa lang ako. So I would like to start my not so long message with gratitude. Of course, thank you so much to Sir Jay and to Sir Randy, the pillars of TCMI or the Trend Classic Models International, whom I have known since I was the boyish young lady who was jealous of my sister. Kasi naman, yung mommy ko, sinali yung sister ko sa TCMI, nasa Bicol ako. So, out of everything that has happened, talagang nagsimula yung eagerness ko to join TCMI because naiingit ako sa sister ko. Kasi nga, ako yung nagbabasketball sa kanto, yung ate ko sumasali sa fashion show at binibilhan ng bagong heels. That was 15 years ago in 2011. When my life has changed. That was the year when the boyish, stubborn girl emerged into a fine young lady, molded to become an unexpected frontrunner of TCMI and eventually the first in-house model of TCMI who has become a part of the Professional Models Association of the Philippines. I became part of that organization at the age of 13. So I was the youngest back then. I didn't expect Mama Rene Salud na paparampahin ako at 13 years old wearing just two-piece clothing. So, hindi ko siya ina-expect, pero with all the confidence, with all the teachings TCMI has taught me, kinaya ko yun. And right now, I am still grateful for all the learnings na tinuro and na-instill ng TCMI. So, I came to every PMAP Go-See and casting prepared, ready to walk alongside the country's top models, but scared of not being chosen among hundreds. Yet, still grounded by the TCMI's constant reminder that rejection is part of future success. So from those early days, TCMI taught me two values that stayed with me far beyond the runway. So these are discipline and time management. These were not just about walking properly or facing the camera, but they were about showing up early, being prepared, respecting everyone's time, and giving your best whether you were seen or not. So today, I stand before you no longer just a model, but as a graduating management student at the University of the Philippines, Diliman, and as a public servant, an ex-official counselor, and an SK Federation president of the entire Rizal. So the runway may seem far from public service, but the foundations are the same. Thank you, Sir Jay and Sir Randy. These are about confidence, accountability, grace under pressure, and respect for people. TCMI did not just train models, but TCMI indeed built character. So as an tawag sa akin, honorary member ng TCMI, I dedicate this recognition to the mentors who believed in us before we even believed in ourselves, Sir Jay, Sir Randy, and Sir Lester, who saw potential beyond fear and age. And to the entire TCMI family, nawala man si Mommy, ang dami ko namang mga mommies na nandyan na kanina umiiyak agad. Hindi nga ako naiiyak, pinapaiyak naman nila yung sarili nila. Kasi bago mawala yung mommy ko, talagang sa kanila ako binilin. And talagang alam ko na yung TCMI is a family that will be there even if tumanda na kami. At hindi dapat kayo tumanda, Sir Jay and Sir Randy. Ayan, so the entire TCMI family who proved that when discipline meets passion, success follows on the runway, in the classroom, in leadership, and in service. Maraming salamat po and mabuhay ang Trend Classic Models International.
Thank you so much, Lucia. Our next awardee is the Star Magic Artist, Mucha ng Antipolo 2024 Turismo, 100 Cutest Faces Season 7 Brand Winner. Andito ba siya? Nakarating. Irish Garcia Ubogne. Wala pa. Okay, mamaya na natin siya kasi nasa taping pa. Alright, next we have, they started from TCMI since they are 3 years old. A ramp and commercial model, ladies and gentlemen. Student leader, Justin Refugia, Justin Refugia. Ano ko yung apelyido ko pa? Sige, speech.
Thank you, Sir Randy and Sir Jay. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I am Justin Refugia. I started in TCMI when I was 4 years old. So,
4 pala.
yeah, 4 years old po. Kasama ko nun si Hannah, and it warms my heart to stand here in front of you together with my ates. Kasi when I started in TCMI, they were my mentors as well. They were my sisters, and they treated me with love and care. Aside kay Sir Randy, kay Sir Jay, and of course ay kay Sir Lester na nasa Canada. Ang dami kong natutunan sa TCMI. How to speak in public, have confidence, and how to walk and present myself in front of a lot of people. Yung foundations na yun, hindi siya mawawala sa akin. And I didn't prepare a speech, so again, thank you so much. I hope that everyone will have fun for tonight. Ay, today pala, sorry. Ayan, good afternoon. Thank you po. Thank you everyone for this award.
Next, a business owner of a roofing company, a student leader, a professional model, Shania Britney Martinez. Batang-bata pero negosyante, oh. Pag nakita niyo po sa Marikina yung K-Roofing, siya po yung may-ari noon. Ayun.
Wala akong na-prepare ng speech kasi may shy ako sa maraming tao. Pero thankful ako kay Sir Randy, Sir Ray and Sir Lester kasi hindi naman ako dati na confident sa lahat, sa maraming tao at sa stage. Kasi nag-start ako sa kanila nung 7 years old ako. That's 2012. Sinama lang ako ni Tita Hili na nasa Canada ngayon. Sinama niya ako sa TCMI para maki-join sa modeling, sa fashion show. And then, nag-stop ako mga ilang years. And bumalik ulit ako to boost my confidence once again. And hanggang ngayon, nadadala ko pa rin yun kahit saan. And right now, I am the president of organization in Benilde na dati hindi ko inakalang magagawa to. Ayun,
Diba?
thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sir.
Yes. Okay. May call on all the awardees of events: Justine, Shania, Brittany, Celine, Crystal, Irish, and Lucia for a photo opportunity.